Welcome, Math 20. Today we're going to look at the size of fractions. I have some number lines here that will help us see what we want to be able to do is to tell whether something is closer to 0, 1/2, or 1. Let's start with 2/3. I've divided this first number line so that we have it divided into 3 pieces. Pretend they're equal. My drawing skills are sort of weak. I have 1/3. And I have 2/3, and of course 1 is 3/3. Well, it's a little bit tricky because a half isn't on that number line, is it? So it's hard to tell exactly where it's at. Let's take 2/3 and let's divide each of the parts in half so that we end up with sixths. If I take the top number and the bottom number here and multiply them by 2, I get 4/6. So here I have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, which is 1/2, 4/6, which is equivalent to 2/3. 2/3 and 4/6 are the same thing. Now notice how close 4/6 is to 3/6. It's much closer than it is to either 1 or 0. So 2/3 is closer to 1/2. The other fraction we're going to look at is 11/16. So my second number line here, I've divided it into 16 parts. Again, we'll pretend they're even. I have a 0, a 1/2, and a 1. And we want to look at 11/16. So we'll count over to 11/16. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/16 is 1/2, 9, 10, 11. So right over here is 11/16. And again, you can see that 11/16 is closer to a half than it is to 1 or to 0. So one way to be able to tell the size of fractions is to actually draw them out on a number line so that you can see where they fall. I hope that helps you with that problem.